Using a dedicated line laser camera, the system records and learns the three-dimensional morphology of the pipe surface. Through learning and intelligent analysis of the system's massive material library, cutting on irregular or non-standard pipes, you provide. With zero debugging and no waste, the operation is simple and efficient, requiring no reliance on experienced technicians.